Good morning. So today I'm going to be packing for a 6-night trip to Puerto Vallarta at the end of September. So this is kind of like the rainy season. It's about 55% chance of rain each day. So I'm kind of keeping that in mind while I'm packing. And it's also going to be about a high of like 90 degrees with some humidity during the day. So also keeping that in mind while also like trying to think of things that like are good for multiple uses, because this is going to be my first time just taking a carry-on and a personal item. Usually I will check a bag and bring like the whole 50-pound bag. Like usually I build the whole thing up plus a carry-on plus a personal item. So this is going to be a challenge. We're going to try our very best. But I have these awesome new pieces from Tote&Carry to kind of help me get through it. We have a backpack here for the personal item, and then we have our duffel bag here, which is going to be the carry-on luggage. So I'm gonna go through the things that I'm packing kind of while I'm and tell you as I'm packing them why I'm packing them. We're gonna have to unload this guy first because I puffed these up to get some nice shots of these. So show you actually how much these can fit in here. I was going to use a different carry-on bag originally, but once I got these, I was like, oh my goodness, it would be so silly to use this other one because this one is way bigger. So what I usually do too as far as like shoes, I'm going to probably put the shoes and the towels at the bottom. I usually wear like my biggest pair of shoes, so I'll probably end up wearing my sneakers, and then I'm going to pack my other shoes. So I have some gold flats with little sparkles on them. So these are going to be like my cute like going out sandals. Puerto Vallarta is a very walkable town, so we're going to be doing a ton of walking, but I also like to have something that's a little cute, but also something that's not going to kill my feet. So these have been tried and true for me on previous trips, so I'm bringing those back. And then my handy dandy Skechers foamies, which are definitely have been run through, but that's what I love about it, because the streets of Puerto Vallarta are really just kind of all over the place. There's tons of cobblestone and kind of uneven things. You don't know if you're going to be stepping in a little bit of water, so I like that these have a little bit of a wedge on them, or a little bit of a sole, there you go, on them, and they're waterproof, because I can use them for the streets, and then I also can like take those and I can use these at the pool as well. So those are going to be the first things that I'm going to be having at the bottom, and I'm actually going to use one of these awesome Tote&Carry bags that came with the items that they sent me, so that way my shoes will be separated from my clothing. Just gonna squeeze these in here. And then there's these guys in there as well. And then these guys will be at the bottom of our duffel bag here. All right. We have a couple different pockets on the inside here, which is really nice. I'm going to need multiple towels. So I have a sweat towel for yoga and hikes, and then I have a few different towels. That are nice and light. I like to pack the ones that fold up really well, because I'm going to be staying there for 6 nights. I want to have plenty of towels for the beach. or maybe even, you know, for some yoga and stuff like that. So I've got 4 towels here. I'm gonna place these guys at the bottom. Then I have my handy dandy clothing steamer. So I'm gonna bring this one. This one's actually my lighter one. I have a different one. It's just a little bit too heavy. So this one's the light one. I'm gonna throw this in the bottom here. And then let's see, an umbrella, because we know that it's going to be raining occasionally. My sweat towel in there. Oh yeah, and then this guy is a little stand removal towel, little mitt. I like it. You put it on your hand right there. Helps you get the sand off your feet. Okay. Then I have some other things. So I'm going to be doing some content creation on this trip for one of the places that I'm staying. So I'll have my gimbal here. And then I'll also have, oh yeah, this guy, a little portable suction tripod. And then the tripod that I'm using for that now. Oh, and then I love this thing. It's one of those security door locks, just to give a little extra protection on the doors. What else? I think that's good for now. Speaking of security, I'm going to also be bringing my handy dandy a safe. So this has a little cord around it, so you can put it around your beach chair, or if you're staying in a place that doesn't have a safe, you can just kind of wrap it around a bed or a piece of furniture, and then that way you always have a safe with you. I love that thing. And then this is my little personal pop-out table. This is going to be my light reflector in here for shooting content. I got a underwater phone case, as well as my travel fanny pack, which I'll be using a lot of the time. All right, okay, so I'm going to start packing some clothing on top of here. It does have a few pockets in here. I think I'm going to wait till the very end to utilize those. I'm going to start with some of my nicer dresses. I'm going to bring this one because I love the sparkles. And then I was going to bring this one, but after looking at the weather, I'm going to save that one for home. And then I have, oh, that's a great idea. Let me put this in a packing cube so that it stays nice. And then I'll put my other nicer. So I like to bring, you know, a couple pairs of nicer shorts, you know, ones with little belts, so that they are good for like daytime shopping around, but also can do like nighttime and going out stuff too. And then a little pair of nice linen shorts for the pool, or for days where I'm just hanging out or going to the spa. And then I have a couple of like cute going out tops. I'm only going to be there 6 nights, so I have the dress, and then I have 2 cute going out tops. I'm sure that that's going to be more than enough. And then what else can we fit in this? So kind of deciding on those. I'm going to bring some hiking shorts for sure. So I'm definitely going to be doing some hiking. And then a longer pair of workout shorts. And then a wide pair of workout pants, just for content creation purposes, because I know that these are going to look amazing at the location that I'm shooting for. And then a cute little workout skirt for kind of going around town or taking a class. Some workout shorts with pockets, because when I'm going on hikes and things like that, I love to have some pockets on the side. And then another cute pair of shorts. I do have one more pair of linen shorts that I'm going to be bringing, just because they're comfy and They go with everything, so I love to always have those on hand. Okay, this is pretty full. Place this in here. Yes, okay, cool. I still have a good amount of space. I know that this stuff is gonna fit, which is great. And then all the rest of this stuff that I have over here. Oh, almost forgot. Need to bring a light, of course. Put this at the bottom. Yeah, and I think all the other stuff can totally fit in my personal item. And I still have some, I have a front zipper here. I have some inside pockets to utilize here. So I have a few cover-ups. For the pool. Black and white, and then a little skirt sarong. And a little onesie, something that's just kind of simple to throw on when I'm going to and from the pool and such. And then some tops to go along. So I'm going to be definitely doing some yoga there, so I brought a few yoga tops and like stuff appropriate for hiking, and then some casual tops, like cuter like day clothes. I always just like to have lots of options, especially because in Puerto Vallarta when it's humid, halfway through the day there's been multiple times where I've come back and like have changed my shirt because it's sweaty. So I like to have a lot of options for shirts. And then I still need to grab a few more bikinis. I still need to grab probably one more pajama top, but I'll throw that in there. And then basically all I need are undies and socks, one more pajama top, the tripod that I'm using right now. I think that's it. Oh my goodness. So a really well outfit. I love this. So I have a couple of other things that I'm still kind of deciding on. I'm going to throw them in the top right now. Just they're kind of linen pieces that I think that will be nice to shoot at the location that I'm creating content for. I think it kind of goes with like the eco vibe that it has, eco luxury vibe. So I'm gonna put those in kind of like at the top. If I don't end up having enough room for them, that's kind of the things that I will be cutting. But oh my gosh, like it's all gonna fit. This is great. And so I just need some more underwear and socks to go in here, and then yeah, this will fit all that nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself right now. I think I just have a few more things that need to go in, and look, see, it still has space. Like I can fill in these little gaps here. It can be nice and full. Has a comfortable strap here with that nice padding. Oh heck yes, this is gonna be great. So then in my personal item, I'm going to have, you know, all of my toiletries and things like that. Let's see. Oh, and my handy dandy notepad, because I'm going to be doing some wedding planning in there as well. I think it's just easier to have something to be able to write down things. And then be able to sketch out things too, as well, as far as like where things are going to go and what spacing we have and so forth. So let me get those little things out of there. So here's our backpack, our personal item. So this will be able to slide right under the seat in front of me, which is great. I'm going to put in all of the essentials here. This little baggie, my night mask. And for anything that's kind of bigger, I'm going to put in this and then put this inside so that it stays organized. little things like my chargers and stuff. I'm going to utilize these front pockets for my chargers. And then probably this back pocket for maybe like my passport and things like that. And then what else? Oh my goodness. I cannot believe, like, I literally am so proud of myself. Oh, and I even brought a bath bomb. Yes, that's going to be great. Okay, did I get something out of there? Yeah, good. Okay. So I even brought, like, extra cute little things. Okay, my toothbrush. I seriously am so stoked because I have all of the outfits that I want. I have, you know, a good amount of toiletries. I do have some other toiletries being delivered tomorrow. All these in here with each other. Sunglass case, phone case, all the cases. Oh, I love these. These are cleansing melts. So, you use them to wash your face so that you don't have to have, you know, extra liquid on the plane. And then, you know, plenty of wipes and tissues. Sleep mask. Wipies. Oh, I probably should have put this in first. Let me put that. There we go. Oh, it actually even has a little slide back here for a little extra section. Nice. And I'm going to put my pen in this pocket. So it has this extra separated pocket. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, I love that. That's great. And it's kind of unique how it closes like that. Zip these guys up. Holy smokes. I don't think I'm ever going to get over this. This is so cool. I'm going to save myself so much money by not having to pack checked bags every time. I don't know why that was such a thing. I guess I just didn't have the right duffel bags. Because, I mean, I don't need anything else. I have everything that I need. Yeah, and I even think that my personal little purse can fit here too. Like if they give me any issues about me bringing my little purse. Wow. Okay, so I am packed and ready to go. 6 nights in Puerto Vallarta. And I have everything that I need and probably some extra. So thank you so much, Tote&Carry, for your amazing items. This luggage set is great. This is the backpack, and then this is the extra large duffel. Okay, so they have like a regular size duffel. They have the extra large one, and then I think they even have like an extra large one. So this one is definitely, you know, carry-on size, so I can fit it in the overhead compartment. Yeah, and I still have, you know, the zipper up front. I still have a little bit more room for some socks and undies and, you know, a few other things that I just need to grab. But holy smokes, I'm ready to go. I'm so excited. Any sweaters or anything like that I'll probably just wear in the airport because it's probably only going to be cool when I'm in the airport. But I'm so excited. But these are so luxurious. I absolutely love this set. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm just like, I can't even get the words out right now. I just am so flabbergasted, literally. But I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me.